There is a very simple beauty formula, right in your familiar kitchen. But once applied, almost everyone is surprised as their skin gradually becomes brighter, smoother, firmer, and more youthful day by day. Many people have spent a lot of money on expensive cosmetics with very little effect, while the real secret actually comes from inexpensive, everyday ingredients that hardly anyone would expect. What's special in today's video is not only nourishing the skin from the outside but also combining with inner nourishment, helping the skin become healthier, slow down aging, and maintain youthful beauty for a long time. So what exactly is that secret? And why can it bring about such a visible transformation? I will carefully break it down in today's video so you can easily apply it right at home. My dear friends, don't forget to watch until the end of the video so you won't miss this interesting tip. And if you find it useful, please hit subscribe, press like, and leave a comment to give me more motivation to share even more helpful experiences. Wishing you all good health and youthful skin for years to come. And now, let's dive into the details of this natural face mask formula that many people trust and use. The first ingredient is 1/2 of a ripe banana that has been steamed and mashed. Bananas are well known as a nutritious fruit for health, but few realize they are also an incredibly effective beauty ingredient. Bananas contain many vitamins and minerals essential for the skin. First is vitamin A, which promotes cell regeneration, helping fade dark spots and improve rough skin texture. Next is vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, the main cause of premature skin aging, while also stimulating the body to produce collagen, keeping the skin firm and elastic. In addition, there's vitamin E, often called the beauty vitamin, which helps the skin maintain natural moisture, prevents dryness, and slows the formation of wrinkles. Not only that, bananas also contain potassium, an important mineral that balances skin moisture, reduces dryness, and soothes areas of mild irritation. When bananas are steamed, their texture becomes softer and smoother, making them easier to mash and helping the nutrients absorb more effectively into the skin. Moreover, steaming reduces the banana's natural coolness, creating a warm, gentle feel when applied to the face, especially suitable for those with sensitive or dry skin. The second ingredient is 1 teaspoon of turmeric starch. Unlike raw turmeric powder, which still contains resin and oil that can easily stain the skin or cause irritation, turmeric starch has been carefully refined to remove impurities, making it much safer and gentler. The standout component in turmeric starch is curcumin, a precious compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Thanks to this, it helps soothe inflamed pimples, reduce redness, and support faster fading of dark spots. Curcumin is also a natural antioxidant that can neutralize free radicals, protect skin cells from damage, and prevent premature aging. With consistent use, your skin won't just have fewer pimples and dark spots, but it will also become brighter, smoother, and more even in tone. The third ingredient is 1 egg yolk. This is a natural, nutrition storehouse, containing lots of vitamins A, D, E, and B complex vitamins. Combined with protein and healthy fats, these nutrients have the ability to deeply nourish the skin from within, making it softer, plumper, and more elastic. At the same time, the vitamin E and healthy fats in the yolk help create a natural moisture barrier, protecting the skin from dryness and slowing down wrinkle formation. However, if you have oily skin, large pores, or are prone to breakouts, you should flexibly replace the yolk with egg white. Egg white is rich in protein and has a deep cleansing effect, helping to tighten pores and limit clogging that can cause acne. The final ingredient is 2 tablespoons of unsweetened fresh milk. Milk has long been considered a miracle for the skin because it contains lactic acid, a natural AHA that gently exfoliates, helping the skin surface become brighter, more even, and smoother. In addition, milk also provides protein, calcium, magnesium, and many essential minerals to strengthen the skin barrier. maintain moisture, and reduce dryness. When combined with banana, turmeric, and egg, milk not only blends the ingredients into a smooth, easy-to-apply mixture but also enhances the skin brightening, moisturizing, and natural restorative effects. When all four of these ingredients are combined, they not only work individually but also create a very harmonious synergy. Steamed ripe banana provides abundant vitamins and minerals, making the skin soft, plump, and deeply moisturized. Turmeric starch with curcumin brightens, fights inflammation, keeps the skin clear, reduces acne, and fades pigmentation. Egg yolk adds protein, vitamins, and healthy fats to nourish and restore the skin's structure, improving elasticity and resilience. Meanwhile, unsweetened fresh milk acts as a balancer, soothing agent, and gentle exfoliant, while also helping the mixture absorb deeply into each skin layer. When everything blends together, this mask delivers a comprehensive effect. It moisturizes, brightens, fights inflammation, and prevents aging. In particular, this combination also helps strengthen the skin's protective barrier and stimulates natural collagen production. So the skin is not only beautiful on the outside but also resilient and healthy from within. This is exactly the standout advantage that makes this simple formula a golden secret, loved and frequently used by many. The method is also very simple. You just need to mash half of a steamed banana, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric starch, 1 egg yolk, and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened fresh milk. Then stir well until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Clean your face. Apply the mask evenly over the skin. Relax for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse with warm water, followed by a splash of cool water to tighten the pores. This formula should be applied consistently twice a week. After a few weeks of persistence, you will notice brighter, smoother, and more even-toned skin. However, this formula is not suitable for everyone. Those with extremely sensitive or easily irritated skin should be cautious because turmeric and milk can sometimes cause redness or stinging. Anyone allergic to eggs or milk should absolutely avoid it to prevent rashes or itching. For oily skin with severe acne, it's best to leave out the egg yolk, as the fat in the yolk may clog pores. Also, if your skin has open wounds, you should not apply the mask to avoid infection. Another important note is that after using this mask, you should not go out in the sun immediately because at that time your skin is more prone to sunburn and darkening. If applied properly and consistently, this formula not only improves the skin day by day but also helps you maintain youthful radiance and long-lasting healthy skin without depending too much on expensive cosmetics. My dear friends, many people tend to focus only on skincare products or masks on the outside while forgetting that truly beautiful skin must start with nourishment from within the body. In reality, what we eat and drink every day is directly reflected on our skin. If your diet is poor and full of greasy foods and sugars, your skin is more likely to break out, become dull, and age prematurely. On the other hand, if you choose the right foods, your skin will receive natural nutrients, becoming healthy and beautiful from the root. The first thing to pay attention to is adding plenty of green vegetables and fresh fruits. These are rich sources of vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin C and vitamin E, 2 companions that are essential for maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin C in oranges, grapefruits, guavas, or tomatoes has strong antioxidant properties, helping neutralize free radicals and stimulating collagen production. Collagen is the elastic fiber that keeps skin smooth, firm, and resistant to wrinkles. Vitamin E in avocados and nuts helps maintain natural moisture, reduces dryness and cracking, and also contributes to protecting the skin against the harmful effects of sunlight. Along with eating a balanced diet, don't forget one very important principle: drink enough water. Our bodies are more than 70% water, and the skin also needs water to maintain elasticity and suppleness. If you don't provide at least 1.5 to 2 liters of water a day, the skin will become dry, easily wrinkled, and lifeless. On the other hand, When you drink enough water, every skin cell is plumped up, keeping your skin smooth and youthful. In addition to plain water, you can also add herbal teas that are good for both the skin and the body, such as green tea, chamomile tea, or tea made from guava leaves. These drinks are rich in antioxidants, helping to detoxify the body while supporting the elimination of toxins so the skin stays clear and healthy. Another very important factor is supplementing natural collagen through daily foods. Collagen is a structural protein that determines the firmness and elasticity of the skin. However, after the age of 25, the body gradually reduces its ability to produce collagen, leading to sagging and wrinkles. To counter this, you can boost collagen intake with everyday dishes such as bone broth, black chicken soup, salmon, or soy-based products. These foods are not only delicious but also help maintain youthful, resilient skin from within. And here's another important reminder: limit sugar and fried foods that are high in oil. Excess sugar in the body binds to collagen, creating glycation end products that cause the skin to lose elasticity, sag faster, and develop wrinkles earlier. Greasy fried foods increase free radicals, cause inflammation, and make the skin prone to acne, dullness, and rapid aging. Therefore, to keep your skin beautiful, it's best to cut down on deep-fried, oily dishes and minimize industrial sweets. Beyond nutrition, your daily lifestyle also has a big impact on your skin. Getting enough deep sleep is when the body regenerates and repairs skin cells. So you should go to bed early and sleep 7 to 8 hours each night. In addition, light exercise such as walking, yoga, or breathing practice improves blood circulation, bringing nutrients and oxygen to nourish the skin, making it rosy and radiant. Prolonged stress is also a silent enemy of the skin, because stress disrupts hormones, triggers acne, and dulls the complexion. Keeping a positive, cheerful mindset and knowing how to relax is also a key secret to maintaining youthful-looking skin. When you combine a balanced diet, proper hydration, collagen supplementation, limiting harmful factors, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you'll notice your skin not only looks better in the short term but also stays strong, youthful, and radiant over time. There's a young girl in my neighborhood, just in her early 20s, but her skin was always full of acne and looked dull. She kept buying mixed creams and quick whitening cosmetics, but the more she used them, the thinner and weaker her skin became. One time she went to see a dermatologist and learned that the real problem wasn't the cosmetics at all, but her diet. She barely ate any vegetables, and she was addicted to soda and fried foods. The doctor advised her to change her habits, eat more fruits and vegetables, drink enough water, cut down on sugar and greasy foods. After about 3 months of sticking with it, her skin became noticeably brighter, with fewer breakouts. She looked healthier and more natural, no longer dependent on cosmetic products. This story shows that caring from the inside is truly the most important foundation for long-lasting beautiful skin. My dear friends, any beauty formula needs important notes to help the skin absorb properly and avoid risks. With the banana, turmeric, egg, and milk mask, let me emphasize a few key points. First of all, not everyone is suitable. People with very sensitive skin or allergies to eggs or milk should test it on a small patch first. If you feel itching or burning, absolutely do not apply it to your face. If you have oily, acne-prone skin with inflamed breakouts, leave out the egg yolk to avoid clogged pores. And if the skin has open wounds or large swollen pimples, you must not apply it. To avoid infection, after using the mask, don't go out into the sun immediately. Because turmeric and milk can make the skin more sensitive to sunlight, it's best to use it at night and always protect your skin with sunscreen during the day. Frequency also needs to be controlled. Apply it only about twice a week, giving the skin time to rest and regenerate naturally. Beauty is a long journey. No formula can transform skin overnight. That's why the first golden rule is consistency. The skin will gradually improve day by day when applied regularly. The second rule is combined care. Inside and out, masks are only one part. But more important are nutrition, hydration, proper sleep, and a relaxed mind. And the final rule is proper protection. Avoid harsh sun and pollution. Keep the skin clean, so it can stay healthy and youthful for the long run. By following these notes and principles, this natural mask formula will deliver its full benefits, allowing you to care for your skin at home with both safety and effectiveness, while also saving money. My dear friends, with just a few familiar ingredients right in your kitchen, you can create a beauty formula that is both safe and effective. When combined with a healthy diet, a balanced lifestyle, and golden principles of skincare, you'll definitely feel the daily transformation: brighter skin, stronger skin, and long-lasting youthfulness. If you find these tips helpful, try applying them today. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the Live Well Everyday channel so I'll have more motivation to share even more natural beauty and health secrets. See you again in the next videos.